Well, good morning, YouTube. Part 2 of the drive to the family farm here on the outskirts of Digos, Philippines. Some rice fields, banana trees, all kinds of, lots of rice fields, banana trees, coconut trees. It looks like some pretty deep water they got to wade through in these rice fields. I think we're going back over the same road that we came in on, I think. Oh, though the bridge looked kind of similar. Oh, there you go, Tama. Oh, another bridge. Oh, excavation area.
That is an eggplant.
Eggplant. Oh, eggplant. Yeah, that's what they make. They make egg rolls out of that. Eggplant. Yeah, you can make eggplants. That's the first time I've seen that. So yeah, they make various things out of eggplants. I'm not all sure what they. Chickies, a couple doggies. How you guys doing? Oh, doggy, get out of the way. Oh, Willie gets out of the way. Oh. Coconut trees at the edge of the field, though. I wonder how stable they are with the water being around them like that, because they look like they're higher off the ground and you can see the roots more than what they normally are.
I don't know
How it holds, yeah.
they buried it.
They bury it, yeah. But it looked like the root system was more exposed, you know. Right through there. Is this a chicken coop or residence or residence? Chickens! Chickens! Oh, watch out for the doggy. Yeah, he's getting out. And more banana fields again. Yeah, lots of coconut, banana trees, and rice fields, and some mango trees around here too. What's this one right here? Those are thorny bushes.
This one is
Rose bush. Okay. It looks like a rose bush like in the US, but I'm sure it's something else.
That's something for food.
Food.
flower.
Flower? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm really glad we went this way, get to see a lot of the scenery of...
Hindi ka daw sa English sa kamuting kahoy. Oh. Hi. Ha? Akasava? Ah, that is akasava.
How you doing here?
Do you know cassava?
Cassava?
Cassava. That is cassava.
Cassava.
They say that there is a bush.
Bush.
You see that? We say bus.
Oh, okay.
What we call them cassava.
Cassava.
Cassava like a potato.
A what?
We used to flour and food.
Oh, flour. Yeah, white flour.
Oh yeah.
That kind of stuff, yeah.
In English, that is a cassava.
Oh, an asava, or Filipino and asava, or cassava. Boy, that's some deep water right there. I can tell that. That's some deep water in that rice field. That probably goes up, I bet, 2 feet or more.
On the side, there's irrigation.
Irrigation, yeah. We about, what, 5 or 10 minutes from the farm?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Hopefully slow down so the dog gets out of the way. Doggy, get out of the way. Oh, I was kind of worried about some of the pets. Hey, how you guys doing? They're what?
They're doing rice.
Oh, they're going to pick the rice. So the rice workers. Dr. Edwin C. Honduray Rice Farm. Must be more irrigation right there too. That's some big. That's at least a couple feet of water in that rice field. I see they keep their goats and their other livestock here tied up.
There's so many
Accidents.
beef.
Beef. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm sure that beef is worth a lot of money in this, you know, to you guys it is. I mean, it's worth a lot of, you know, money. I mean, you don't want to lose your livestock because typically beef is a lot more expensive than chickens are. So, I mean, those beef cows, they're worth a lot of money, you know, to your people. I mean, pesos. that's about 100. That's about 100 US dollars. YouTube, about 5,000 Filipino pesos, about 100 US dollars. Which in this part of the world, I mean, that's a lot of money. It's not a lot. I mean, that's not a lot of money to the average American, even to the poorest American. But in this part of the world, that's a lot of money. I mean.
The cow is, the beef is about 50,000
50,000 pesos.
equivalent to 500 US dollars.
500 US dollars. Oh yeah, that's, so it's about 50,000 pesos, or
1,000?
yeah, 50,000 pesos, which is about 500 US dollars. Yeah, that sounds about right. One of the workers that has the tricycle set up, he was telling me his setup is about 60,000 for the bike, 60,000 pesos for the bike, and about 40,000 for the cab, or whatever you guys call it.
1,000 for a job.
Yeah, so it's about 100,000 pesos on average, the whole setup, to have the motorcycle and the whatever they call the cab.
Sidecar.
Sidecar, yes, sidecar cab. People carrying the rice on their heads. I know that's got to be a hard job to carry that. Doggy, get out of the way.
It's a goat.
Oh, goat. Sometimes I can't even tell sometimes, yeah. And here you see some of the workers out here. I mean, it's a hard way to make a living, but you got to do it somehow. A lot, probably about 15, 20 workers in that field, in that rice field.